We have done so far 3 rules in the position of adverbs where it comes. Now how it follows, and we did examples to understand better. Now the 4th rule says adverbs of number or frequency and a few other adverbs like almost, already, hardly, nearly, just, quite, etc. are normally put between the subject and the verb when the verb consists of only one word. Okay. Then they also say when the verb consists of more than one word, the adverbs are put after the first word when there is more than one word. So that's the 4th rule that we are going to look at. And with the example, we will understand this rule better. So rule number 4 says, rule number 4. What does the rule number 4 say? The rule number 4 says, adverbs of number or frequency or frequency number or frequency and a few other adverbs and a few other adverbs like almost, already, hardly, nearby, just, quiet, etc. So, adverbs of number or frequency and few other adverbs like almost, already, hardly, nearby, just, quiet are normally put between the subject and the word. Between the subject and the verb. Subject and the verb when the verb consists of only one word. Okay, what's that? Let's look at it again. Adverbs of number or frequency and a few other adverbs like almost, already, hardly, nearby, just, and quiet. All these are normally put between the subject and the verb. And the verb, when it consists of only one word. And that's what we are looking at. Let's look at the example I have here. Examples. Okay. What are the examples I have here? First one. My wife, my wife, my wife never, never, my wife never quarrels. Okay. And the second sentence we have, I quite agree. I quite agree with you. I quite agree with you. Okay. Now, they say when the verb consists of more than one word, adverbs are put in the first word. So, you need to remember when the verb consists of more than one word, then what happens in this? More than one word, then the adverb are put. Adverbs are put after the first word. After the first word. Okay. We are talking about when the verb consists of more than one word, the adverbs are put after the first word. Here we are talking about adverbs of number or frequency. Okay. Now, and few other words we have already said, almost, already, hardly, nearby, just, quiet. All these are normally put between the subject and the verb. Okay, between the subject and the verb. Now here the subject is the wife, quarrels is the verb. Here the subject is I and the verb is agree. So it is put between the subject and the verb. And that's what we see here. The adverb never and quite are put between subject and here. And here there's a little change in the second part of the rule. Here it says, this example says, you have another set of example. And it says here, he has never, now look at that, okay, never seen a zebra. Seen a zebra. And the second sentence you have, the first sentence, and in the second sentence you have, I have often, I have often. I have often heard that story. Heard that story. Now, what does it say here? In the second part, you says, when the verb consists of more than one word, the adverbs are put after the first word. Now, has seen, have heard. That is the verb. Then what happened? The adverbs are put the after the first word. The first word is he. So adverbs are put never and often put after the first word. When the verb consists of more than one word, has seen, have heard, then the adverbs are put after the first word. After the first, he has never. I have often. Now, this is the fourth rule that we need to look at in the positioning of the adverb. They say the adverbs of number and frequency and other few adverbs like almost, already, hardly, nearby, quiet, and just, and etc. are normally put between the subject and the verb. Between the subject and the verb. And the second part we have, when the verb consists of more than one word, like has seen, have heard, then the adverb is put after the first word. So, he has never seen. I have often. These are rules, but as you go along with more practice, you will put correctly, you speak right correctly, write correctly, just read aloud, you will be able to catch the mistakes.